3 miles from the coast. You're coming through 59 plus 10 to me this morning. GB0 November Fox Fox from M0I. Okay, over.
Yes, Mike 0, India Oscar Kilo from Golf Bravo 0, November Fox Fox. Okay there, David. Also 59 plus this morning in mid-Somerset, and very nice signal indeed. I won't hold it too long there, David. Other stations calling, I think also another Marconi station, so we'll listen for them. But have a good weekend and work a few more Marconi radio stations there, David. So wish you all the best, 73s. Have a good weekend. Mike 0, India Oscar Kilo, Golf Bravo 0, November Fox Fox.
Thank you, David. All the best. Take care. 73.
Echo India 2, Mike Delta, stroke portable, stay
Mike 0, Papa Whiskey Charlie. Oh, many stations calling. The Echo India 2 station, please go ahead.
Echo India 2, India Mike Delta, stroke portable, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, Echo India 2, India Mike Delta Portable from Golf Bravo 0, November Fox Fox. Good morning to you. I think another International Marconi Day station, of course, with the call sign. Name here is David, and running an IC 7300 to a half-size G5RV. I'll give a report next time round. Back to you, Echo India 2, India Mike Delta Portable, Golf Bravo 0, November Fox Fox.
Thank you very much, David. Golf Bravo 0, November Fox Fox. Operator name here is Wayne, Whiskey Alpha Yankee November Echo. We are also Marconi Day. We are in Tremor in Waterford in Southern Ireland. This is where Marconi spent his holidays. So he has to have a bit of rest on the radio sometime, I suppose. Hi. But you're coming in a solid 5.9 plus here. And we're running a Yaesu FT857 with 100 watts into a 49 to 1 end-fed half wave with the antenna cut to the 80-meter band. Back to you.
Yes, roger there, Wayne. Echo India 2, Italy Mike Delta Portable from GB0NFF. Fine business, Wayne, near Waterford there, and okay on the FT857. They're also 5.9. Not quite 5.9 plus, but 5.9, very nice signal this morning, and nice to work another International Marconi Day station. So wish you all the best and work a few more there today, and have a good time there and the weekend. Won't hold it as other stations calling me, so I better carry on and see what else we can work their way. Many thanks indeed. Echo India 2, India Mike Delta Portable, GB0NFF.
No problem, David. We'll keep it nice and short one. Hopefully catch them further on down the log. It's always good to get fellow special ed stations.
We got that. Golf 4 Tango X-Ray Foxtrot. Golf Bravo 0, Mike Golf Yankee. You're 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Name is Colin. Hopefully you've been reading the news. Golf Bravo 0, Mike Golf Yankee is the call for Harlem District Amateur Radio Society for International Marconi Day. Mike Golf Yankee was the call on RMS Titanic, which is operated by 2 Marconi officers. Golf 4, Tango X-Ray Fox, Golf Bravo 0, Mike Golf Yankee, over.
Yes, many thanks, Colin. Golf Bravo 0, Mike Golf Yankee from Golf 4, Tango X-Ray Fox. Name this end is also Colin, so I won't bother to spell it. QTH is a small town called Kershaw, Kappa Echo Radio, Sierra Hotel Oscar Radio Echo, Kershaw, about 8 miles southeast of the city of Worcester. So your 5 and 9 very noisy band, Colin. 5 and 9 very noisy band. Copying you okay though. Good luck with the station, many thanks. Put it back to you. Top G4TXL.
No problem there, Colin, no problem at all. Nice to work you there. Thank you for coming back to my call. Don't want to be rude, I'm going to move it on quickly. So, before the band changes, I don't even know what the time is. I've been here since 8 o'clock and, running, and the brain is becoming more and more confused. Golf Bravo Zero, Mike Golf Yankee. Listening for any other call?
Germany, Mexico 3, Whiskey, Oscar, Japan. 0, India, Ocean, Kilo.
Mike Zero, Bravo, Kilo, Victor. Germany, no. Golf Mike Zero.
Germany, Mike 3, 1, 2, 3, Whiskey, Ocean, Japan.
Okay, Golf Mike 3, Whiskey, Oscar, Japan. Golf Bravo Zero, Mike Golf Yankee, no problem at all, good strong signal. Name is Colin. Special event call for International Marconi Day, celebrating his birthday. I can't remember how old it was because he's a bit older than I am. Hopefully you've been checking the news. Say more details on qrz.com. Give you a proper signal report on your next over. Golf Mike 3, Whiskey Oscar Juliet. Golf Bravo Zero, Mike Golf Yankee.
Yeah, solid copy, Colin. My name is Chris, CHRIS, and I'm just north of Inverness. I did work your 20-metre station with Sid there, but it was quite tough going. Short skip. Lots of stations calling. 73 is calling. Thank you very much.
No problem there, Chris. You're 5 and 9. Good signal. And, okay, I'm working, Sid. Yeah, I hope I'm working more than he is. Now, he's been on it as well from 8 o'clock, so we're trying to have a little, not competition, but see who can get the most in, but 40 metres has been very good. Golf Mike 3, Whiskey Oscar Juliet. Golf Bravo Zero, Mexico Golf United. 73, stay safe, and QRZ.
Got to get some more produced, so we've got one more one which we should be able to cover for this meeting, and we'll reorder, but glad all these cards have come through. Over.
Yes, Roger. 73 and good luck. Enjoy the weekend.
Okay, 73, GB5LT, listening.
Golf 4, India, Alpha, Romeo. Okay, bye.
73, take care. Golf Bravo Zero, Mike Golf Yankee, listen.
Golf 8, Papa, Bravo Hotel.
Golf Oscar, Golf, Golf 0.
Yeah, Roger, thanks very much. And, more cooperation there, and mind out for the witches. 73.
73, all the best.
Germany 8, Alpha X-Ray Zulu.
Golf 8, Alpha X-Ray 0. Good morning, 59.
Roger, you're 5 and 9 also. Name is Dave, and I'm located up in Derbyshire, near the little town of Belper, over.
Roger, thanks very much for calling, Dave. Have a great weekend. QRZ Golf X-Ray, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango. CQ Marconi Day, Golf X-Ray 0, Mike Whiskey Tango.
Lima Foxtrot, Quebec station, go ahead.
Yeah, Golf Bravo 0, November Foxtrot, this is Golf 0, Lima Foxtrot, Quebec. Name is Paul and the location is Cornwall, just over the border from Devon. You're coming in about 5'7", 5'9" with me this morning, between that signal, but very nice and clear. Back to you.
Yes, roger there, Paul, G0LFQ from GB0NFF. Okay, on the 579, you're 5 and 9 plus, 5 and 9 plus, very nice signal from Cornwall there, Paul. So I won't hold it, other stations calling there, trying to get round to work them fairly quickly. So wish you all 73s and have a good weekend. G0LFQ, GB0NFF.
Yeah, this is Golf Zero Lima Foxtrot. Roger, David, thank you very much for the contact, and I'll let you get on there. Good luck with the contact as many stations as you can. Thank you, bye.
Yeah, the Bravo Charlie portable station, go ahead.
Yeah, that's the Foxtrot slash Delta Lima 7, Bravo Charlie.
Thank you for coming on, and nice to meet you, William. Looks like it's the first time, so nice to meet you for the first time. And thanks for the book and Tango Alpha 08. I don't know if there's anybody else watching or not, so hang around, Scott, I'm sure there will be. So 73 from me, and we'll catch you on the net soon again, I hope. 2 Echo 0, Whiskey Whiskey Victor, from Golf 1, Papa India Echo. Cheers for now, Scott, and you've probably got a pile up now, over.
Tango Echo 380, can anybody hear me?
Yes, no problem there, Mark. Thanks very much. G1PI 20 Whiskey Whiskey Victor is got. Tango Alpha 08, Tango Alpha 08, calling you were Cobra. Any other stations, QRZ now?
Okay, man.
The Echo Mike station, go ahead.
Okay, Golf 2, Lima Oscar, Mike 0, Hotel Echo Mike, 59.
I think it's Hotel Echo Mike, so it's a bit of QRM. And yeah, sorry about that. Name's Harry, Hotel Alpha Romeo India, location Daventry in Northamptonshire, International Marconi Day Station. G0HEM, G2LO, go ahead.
Okay, can we correct the call? It's Mike 0, Hotel Echo Mike, Mexico 0, Hotel Echo Mike, 59. Sorry, I missed the name. I think you said Harry. Roger.
And you're a good 5 and 9. G2LO, GB2 Golf Mike. Oh, fine there, John. We had Jim last time we spoke in 2018. But yep, good to have you in the log again. And yeah, you were 5 and 9 plus 20. Lovely signal. That's you for any final. GB2 Golf Mike, G2LO.
Yeah, CB2 GM returning. Okay, Harry, nice to work you and have some great fun today working the G2LO station. GB2 GM now clear. 73s.
Yep, 73, John. Good to hear from you. This is well, there was a Mike 5 station. I can hear the tele station in the background as well. Mike 5, go ahead. No, apologies, must have misheard. G2LO, QRZ.
Mike 0, Tango, Quebec, Hotel.
Golf 4, November Victor Radio.
Golf 4, November Victor Radio, G2LO. We definitely spoken in the log before. I seem to recognise the call, though. I can't think where from.
Yes, Commander Star Antenna, and one of the founding organisers for the Marconi Day. So Mike India Oscar, November Uniform Mike, Golf Bravo 1, IMD.
Hotel Clean Parker. Foxtrot 4 India Lima Hotel 5 and 9.
QSL 5 and 744, Echo India 9, Hotel Queen Portable.
Come down and something and another vertical going up that way. I think for the lower bands, I think that's where I'm going to aim. I just don't see a point at the moment. There's nothing at all really. I actually use it for. I think the only person I speak to on it now is Al. Once in a blue moon, which I don't need that huge to.
November Mike is listening for any calls. Golf 4 Juliet Tango Radio. Golf 4 Juliet Tango Radio.
Was there a Golf Bravo station in there somewhere? Okay, nothing heard. Apologies, I thought there was a Golf Bravo station. QRZ, Golf 2 November Mike.
Golf 4 Juliet Tango Radio. Tango Kilo. G4 JTR.
Bravo Yankee.
Roger, Golf 1 Bravo Yankee.
Golf 1 Bravo Yankee. Good afternoon, no, good morning, or whatever time of day it is. Please go ahead.
Golf 2 November Mike. Golf 1 Bravo Yankee. Flying at 5 and 9 in the county of Northumberland. The name is Walter QSL.
Yeah, QSL Walter, thank you for the 5 and 9. You are also 5 and 9 here at Amberley Museum in West Sussex. My name is Ed, Echo Delta, and we are taking part in the International Marconi Day. Over.
Roger. Yes, I think I've worked Amberley Station before in the past, but never mind. Nice to get you in the road for a Marconi Station, and you got plenty chorus, let you get away and enjoy the weekend. Golf 2 November Mike, G-Board BBY 73, good luck.
Yeah, 7-3, and this is the one and only day of the year that we put Golf 2 November Mike on the air, usually. So for the other 364 days, listen out for Golf Bravo 2 Charlie Papa Mike, Golf Bravo 2 Chalk Pit Museum, and we'll be pleased to work you under that call sign as well. 7-3, have...